Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sender email address for notification on your Shopify store. And this is the email address that whatever the user receive, any email address from your store, this is the email address that will be shown up. So you can make it a bit more professional by choosing what email show up there. So let me go to the settings here on the lower left hand side. Now under the settings section, you want to look for notifications, click on that and you will see sender email. It says basically the email your store uses to send email notification to customers. And you can change this and put whatever you want. So I can put whatever way I want here and I can just basically save that once I'm ready. So let's say that's what I want to do. Click on save. And as you can see here, it's saved. So I can always change this whatever I want and basically save that, right? So that's how you can easily make changes there, guys. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.